Welcome to Planet Plus TV. Today, terrible earthquake hit Myanmar and Thailand. At least 20 people were killed in Myanmar and 3 people in Thailand. A 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck central Myanmar on Friday, strongly shaking buildings across a vast expanse of Southeast Asia and causing damage in cities as far away as Bangkok in neighboring Thailand. The quake struck near Mandalay, Myanmar's second largest city with more than 1 million people. Around 12:50 p.m. local time, the United States Geological Service said. An aftershock of magnitude 6.4 was recorded about 11 minutes later. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.